Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 11. Principle of mathematical induction, part 1. First, you have to remember this attentively. This, that is principle of mathematical induction, is generally applied to prove mathematical formula or theorem which cannot be proved easily. This is the application of this mathematical induction. Now there are 4 steps. These 4 steps you have to remember. First, in the form of a mathematical statement, that is Pn, then Pn is true for n equal to 1. Assume that Pn is true for some particular value of n, that is n equal to m. And last, you assumption of the step 3 to prove that statement Pn is true for n equal to m plus 1. These are the 4 steps. Now see the example, then it will be clear. One sum, that is by mathematical induction, to prove that this equal to this. First, we have to follow this in the form of mathematical statement. That is step 1, let Pn be the statement. Then Pn equal to this, that the statement. Then step 2, that is the show that Pn is true for n equal to 1. That is P1, that is n equal to 1. LHS, that is LHS. After writing the LHS, then we have to put the value of n. After putting, we are getting 3. In RHS, after writing RHS, then we have to put the value of n, and simplifying, we are getting 3. Left hand side 3, right hand side 3. So Pn is true. Now step 3. Step 3, that is assume that Pn is true for n equal to m. Just n equal to m. So after writing this, in place of n, we have to write m. Finish. Third step, finish. Then fourth step, that is use assumption of step 3 to prove that the statement Pn. Now prove the truth of Pn for n equal to m plus 1. After writing the statement m plus 1, in place of n, we have to write m plus n. This is the sum. In place of n, we have to write m plus 1, m plus 1 plus 2. This is the last term. Previous term, by subtracting, we are getting this term. Then n, in place of n, we have to write m plus n, and in place of n, that is m plus n. In this way, we are getting right hand side. Then by simplifying the right hand side, we are getting this. That is 2m plus 2, that is 2 plus 7, that is 9. Now LHS, that is this side. This is the right hand side, and this is the left hand side. After writing the left hand side, that is this portion within second bracket, because this portion exactly we are getting here. That is this and this exactly same. So this equal to this. So this is why in place of this we may write m by 6 into m plus 1 into 2m plus 7. After putting the value from step 3, now we have to write m plus 1 into m plus 3. Then we have to simplify. Here, this simplification you have to notice attentively. Here, m plus 1, there are 2 terms. M plus 1 will be common. After taking the common, then we are getting this. Then we have to simplify. Then we have to take common 1 by 6. After taking the common 1 by 6, then we are getting 6 here. Here is nothing, that is we have taken common 1 by 6. To balance the 6, we have to write 6 into m plus 3. This part you have to notice attentively. Then by simplifying, by multiplication, we are getting this. Then we are getting the middle term expression. Then we have to factorize by this method. Then by taking common and simplifying, we are getting the right hand side. So this equal to this proved. Very simple. Just understanding one sum any sum you may do yourself in this chapter. So this is why pay your attention on the solution again attentively. Okay, thank you everybody.